Holy swaggage Batman. Swagalicious. Swaggity McSwag swag. Swaggage. Chicago Planner Conference was a blast. It's one of the biggest, one of the most popular. Unfortunately, it sold out in 3 minutes. 400 attendees, a bunch of workshops, and I thought maybe you'd like to see some of those fabulous goodies that I picked up. All of this luscious swag. So I thought I'd come over on my YouTube channel and show you what I got, who I got it from, and how I got this massive bag. It's a swagalicious day. So come and join me. See what we got. This much stuff. Oh my gravy. So let's talk about gifts. I go to planner conferences and I see people that I adore. Like Jamaica, she made this cup for me. It says, "Oh so sweet." It's hard to see on camera and there's a bow on the back. She used Mommy Lace designs. See? People using their designs, that's digital for non-planner related items. Well, sort of. I also had a table mate gifted me 3 entire mild liners. What a doll. I will also say that most of my table gifts were all consumables. You know, like candy. You don't see them, do you? There was pens from Planner Girls, Kelly Creates. Another table mate gift gave me one of these pens. Tool, I don't know. But it's really cool. Then there's Mommy Lay, who gave me all of her brand new pens. Isn't that sweet? Shop Villa Beautiful has one of the best pens that I like to use as well. It has a gel pen tip, and this one is purple. That one was in one of our swag bags as well. This swag was from my sister. She knows how much I like pens. So she picked this multi-pen. It has a pen, a pencil, and a red pen. How cool is my sister? Frixion from a table mate, Le Pen. Lots of pens. We love our pens. And then there's the washi tape. This isn't all of it. I gifted some to my sister. Plain, Simply Gilded. It is crazy how many pieces of washi tape we got. There were several big wow moments when we all got together, 400 of us in one room in the ballroom, and they came out with swag bags from Joann's and from certain makers that are very special to us in the community. One of them was Mommy Lay. She gifted 400 people with these A6 size with traveler's notebooks with the die cut. Alex and Kayla from Hello Stationery made these custom, awesome textured leather with the outside strings. I like this because you could actually stick a notebook on the outside if you wanted to do like some sort of exterior notebook for note writing. But they gifted everybody all of this. It's a beautiful leather with these great card slots, an extra pocket on the front, and each one of them got a new weekly vertical insert. Awesome sauce from Speckled Fawns. We got an exterior pocket. Mine was this wonderful teal and brown. Everybody's was different, but of course this one suits me just fine with the pink. The inserts that didn't come with it, but it does have 4 strings and then a pocket on the front and back. When I'm packing things up, I like to stick like things together, so these were about the same size, but it's just a whole pack of sticky notes on the inside, and this one is a notebook. Cute. Who doesn't love a dot grid notebook? This one is custom cover by Erin Condren. It's a dot grid notebook, especially made for all of the attendees. After we registered and checked in and got our name badge, which was here, and I'm going to use it for my teacher badge when I go and substitute teach, you get a package of items. And this is what some of the items were this year. Hello, thank you, cloth and paper. It's a couple of note cards, as well as you got this notebook that has the today with the date with the checkbox. That is going by my computer. There also was this fantastic Erin Condren lined notebook with a magnet. Guess where that's headed? Onto the fridge for a grocery list. Coco Daisy was very generous in giving this planner pouch to us, as well as some extra autumn stickers, washi tape, other things, including some paper clips. Thanks, Coco Daisy. Who doesn't love a little planner society? This also came with Hello Stationery. See, this is what happens when you pack everything together. This housed all of my pens as I was traveling, but it's this really cute planner pouch for pens. And then a B6 notebook. Yay! For the main keynote event, we all sat around our tables, all 400 of us in one room, and my table was sponsored by Wandering Planners. Some Chicago die cuts, this Echo Park paper, standard size traveler's notebook, how generous. This actually came with the Cocoa Daisy, but I put it in here because remember, like sides together. This is the Wandering Planners notepad, and then they also gave us an Echo Park paper one that came with it. And there's another Wandering Planners. This is a vinyl. This very interesting thing is from Filofax. I thought it was very interesting. I did dismantle it just a little bit to get a feel of what it is, but these are kind of like dividers. That was actually the cover. And how you open it is, you just open it by pulling the cover and the back together. That makes me terrified that I'm going to lose the paper, but I thought it was a really cute idea, along with the fact that this is like a 8.5 by 16 piece of paper, and it also has the monthly grid like this. I thought it was super handy, along with there's some daily pages as well. And then there's a little keeper of a pen holder right there on the side. Then who doesn't need to learn some more brush lettering? I suck at my handwriting, so thanks Wandering Planners. I'm hoping to get to that soon. I thought this was a really cute idea. It has this zip pocket, and it's about this size. It's about 4 inches, and it was filled with tissues and Advil and lip balm and sanitizer. It's absolutely perfect for those of us that get a little needy when we're at a planner conference. And that brings us to the swaps. When you go to each individual workshop, you talk to people that are sitting at your table as well. So you get little fun things like planner clips or pencils, or most importantly, this is the fun one, is you get a whole bunch of sticker sheets as well. Everybody has their little contact card. Well, when I got done on Saturday night and Sunday morning, I wanted to refresh and go through everything. And so what I did was I went down to the vendor area and I bought this album from Pegatina Plans. It's called Planners Have Power, and I think this is what I'm going to do moving forward. I'm always going to buy one of these Pegatina Plans sticker books, and they have a wonderful array of sticker sizes. This one's the jumbo one, but you can fit all sorts of things in it, from vinyls to sticker sheets to conference swaps. There's just a whole host of things you can do with these sticker books. So most of this stuff was actually in the planner swag bag, but also it was part of swaps. Thanks, Amanda. And then there's the workshops. I went to Wandering Planners, and they give us this wonderful pouch full of stamps, die cuts, and paper. So we could do our project that included glue dots. So this is how I brought it home, and I got it in one bag. I can't believe it. This thing is probably, we can see the hands for comparison. It's about 2 feet wide, about 18 inches thick, and it was done by Wandering Planners, and I couldn't be more happy because I love the side pockets that there's mesh. This beautiful luggage tag, and then you can put your personal information, but it has this twisted part on it. I adore. And then I did put some of my pins on the front, and it is super sturdy, and you will definitely be seeing this from time to time as I am out and about, because it just really will hold a lot. And to not to sound like I'm bragging or anything, but this isn't all the stuff we got either. So what I did in my hotel room was I laid it all out, looked at everything I had. There's something that's similar to what I have, or I don't need it anymore. I just gifted it to my sister. She was there visiting with me. She hung out in the lobby most of the time, or helped be my personal lackey. But she's brand new to planning, and but what a better gifter than to a brand new planner. Also, the other thing I want to do is take everything out of their packaging before I slip it in my suitcase. It saves on space a ton. And don't get me wrong, I'm not intentionally leaving everybody out of this video. It just would get too long and complicated of a planner meetup this size to say thank you to all the individual shops that gave me some swag. But I will have to say that I had a blast. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope to see you soon. Bye, guys. Swaggy Chicago Planner Conference. See, I'm all cut up in it.